Hello everybody, welcome back. In this video we will move further and we will create a menu. So here you can see that we have these pages, and the front page is actually this solid home page, which is the front page of our website. Okay, this all content is coming from that page, and we have these menus. For example, home, you can see currently we are on home 1 style, I think, and then if we click on home 2, you will see that the design will be little bit different. You can see a little different design, and if we go to home 3, you will see another different design. So these are actually the pre-built designs made on that pages, and you can see that these pages are available here. You can see home 3, home 2, etc., and the main home page as well. So the thing is that you can apply any page from here, or you can customize the main home page as well, which is definitely the main home page. We can customize this page as well, and every page. The second thing is the lifestyle. If you will hover here, you can see that if you click on this, nothing will happen. This is only the menu, and yeah, it's redirected to category lifestyle. Okay, so where we have the articles related to lifestyle. Then we have esport menu. It is also the directory, I think, sorry, category, I think, for esport, and here we will found the esport articles, and like this. Okay, and health, travel, etc. So these are the main menus. So we can actually create our own category, and we can add the relevant topic articles to that categories as well. Okay, so we will see how from where this menu is coming from, and we will customize this menu. And also if we move here in the bottom, you can see this menu is also there, and here is also the main menu, okay, for the useful links. So these are 3 menus actually on our website, and definitely we can add more menus as well here on the top maybe, or somewhere. And here you can see one more menu is there. If you click here, you can see the main menu is there as well, with a newsletter and some other content, copyright text as well. So this is another menu. So now we will move further, and we will actually add a menu here for the one more thing. If we move click here, you can see that on the mobile view our website is like this, and here we have this menu, and if you click it, you can see this is totally different menu. This is the bottom menu which we can see. Okay, so here we will actually show, because on the mobile we don't need these menus over here, but indeed we need the main menu, which is this menu. Okay, so these things we will check out, that how we will solve these issues. So let's go to backend, and now the pages, we have added some pages, and let's show these pages to the certain menus. So let's go to the menus section, which is actually under the preferences and menus. So let's click on menus, and here you will see that we have these actually here you will see footer menu. If we click here, we have footer menu, we have primary menu, we have top bar menu as well. Okay, so we can actually enable the top bar menu as well if we want to do so. I will definitely enable it, because I want to show that menu on the top as well. So here on the top we will have some menu, maybe about etc. So, or we can, I think bottom is fine. Yeah, bottom is fine. And here you can see we have the same menu: home menu, about us menu, contact menu and advertise menu, okay, which is here in the bottom. So this is the same menu over here, okay, advertise as well. So but you can see this advertise is actually not very much visible, so okay, no issue, we will add it here as well. And then we can actually customize this menu, okay. So this is the home page, so this is fine. This is the default home page. If we click here, we will be redirected back to home page, hopefully. Yeah, home page, which is good. And then after that we will have the next menu, which is the about us. And you can see that in about us we don't have any link here, okay, but we don't need link, we have already the pages, so we will delete this menu, okay. So right away just remove this menu, and then we will also remove this advertise menu, and then we will also remove the contact menu, because this is not that menu which we need, so just remove that. And now we will create the menus, okay. The home menu is fine, so if we save it and if we will refresh the website, hopefully we will have only the home menu under here, okay, in the bottom, hopefully. Yeah, you can see only home menu, and it is actually on this thing which is this, and we can hide that thing as well from top to bottom to top, okay, no problem. So here you can see that now we have only the home menu, and now if we want to add a new menu, you can see here on the left side we have the pages, and here we have these pages: about us, advertising, terms, conditions, contact us, privacy policy, etc. And you can see some menus are not available here, like you can see that privacy policy is not visible. So if not visible, you can click here on view all, and then you will see all the menus, all the pages which are available. Also we can add a custom posts to the menus, and we can also add the categories to the menu, any category, and then we can also add a custom link. So for example, if you want to add a custom link to certain other site or any other subdomain, and later on we will create a website which will be the subdomain website for the business directories, and I will show you that as well, that how we can create that and how we will link that with the custom link to that website, okay. So now we need pages, so go to pages, select about us, click on add to menu, and now about us pages added. Now we will select for example advertising, add it. Then we need also the contact us, add it. We also need terms and conditions, add it. We also need the privacy, add it. And these are the pages which we have added, okay. So now here you can see that if we save it and if we refresh it, you will see the result, okay. And here you can see we have pages: home, about us, advertising, contact us, terms, conditions, privacy. But these are not in a proper order, okay. So we can actually change the order. So for example, if you want to change the order, for example, we need this privacy policy a little bit up, we can just move it here, okay. Or we can bring this contact us on the third number like this, okay. And one more thing is that if you want to make some menu sub item of another menu, sub menu for example, then you will just move it little bit like this. So it will be the sub menu of about us, okay. So sub menu is the menus that, for example, here you can see entertainment, and it has sub menus here, okay. So we will definitely create the sub menus, but for this menu we don't need it. So now we will save it, and now we have created our main menu, the top menu, which is actually in the bottom. So now we will just go here and let's see that pages are working or not. So let's click on about us, advertising, contact us, and privacy policy and terms and condition. And now you will see that hopefully all the pages are working absolutely good. Here you can see about us, here you can see the advertising, here you can see the contact us. Okay, so now you can see the contact us in a beautiful manner and the privacy policy. So all our pages are available on our website right now, and that's the beauty of WordPress. So now we will just rearrange these menus as well a little bit, and in the next videos I will show you that how we can create the categories, and we will customize these menus by the way. But for now, if we move back, if we go to the menus, for example, where are the menus? Here, and we want to modify the home menu, we can click here, we can go to primary menu. Okay, there is footer menu as well. Okay, this was the footer menu. Bar menu is this one. Okay, that was the footer menu, sorry for that. So the top bar menu is different. Okay, so later on we will see this, and maybe we show the top bar menu as well, but for now it's okay. And now we will just go to primary menu, and in the primary menu you can see that we have the main menu, home menu, and under it we have these options which we don't need. So what we can do, you can see home menu. Under this we have these items, these menus. We will just delete these menus. We don't need these menus. These menus deletion didn't mean that we are actually removing the pages as well. So you can actually delete the pages as well, but for now I am not deleting the pages. I will just delete the sub menus. Then you have a lifestyle. I will just remove it. We don't need. Delete menu, sorry, not a menu, the remove. Okay, don't delete the menu. And then we have these other menus. We can just remove these menus as well. Okay, let's make it, then we will move to next video. So I removed irrelevant menus and save the menu, and now you will see that we will hopefully we will only have one menu here available, and the other menus are just deleted. And here you can see home menu, but you can see it pop up here 3 demos which we don't need. So here we will move back, and here if we open this main menu, you will see the pop-up thing over here in the details. Hopefully, let's see from where it is. Label style, yeah, here is the label text, and we don't need the label text, and save it. And now we will only have this home menu, the simple home menu. And in next video we will just create our own categories for our website. We will delete the irrelevant categories, we will add our own custom categories, and then I will show you that how we will create our new menu. And then after that we will if needed, we will just customize these website overall as well. Okay, that's fine. Let's meet in next video. Goodbye.